Coming out of my cage, I've been doing just fine. Gotta be down because I want it all. It started out with a kiss, how did it end up like this? It was only a kiss, it was only a kiss. Now I'm falling asleep and she's calling a cab while he's taking a smoke and she's having a drag. Now they're going to bed and my stomach is sick and it's all in my head and she's touching his chest now. He takes off her dress now. Let me go. I just can't look. It's killing me and taking control. Jealousy turning saints into the sea, swimming through sick lullabies, choking on your alibis. But it's just the price I pay. Destiny is calling me. Open up my eager eyes. But I miss the bright side. Coming out of my cage and I'm doing just fine. Gotta be down because I want it all. It started out with a kiss, how did it end up like this? It was only a kiss, it was only a kiss. I'm falling asleep and she's calling a cab while he's having a smoke and she's taking a drag. Now they're going to bed and my stomach is sick and it's all in my head, but she's touching his chest now. He takes off her dress now. Let me go. I just can't look. It's killing me and taking control. Jealousy turning saints into the sea, swimming through sick lullabies, choking on your alibis. But it's just the price I pay. Destiny is calling me. Open up my eager eyes. But I miss the bright side. I never jealousy turning saints into the sea, swimming through sick lullabies, choking on your alibis. But it's just the price I pay. Destiny is calling me. Open up my eager eyes. But I miss the right side. Ooh, yeah. I miss the bright side. Ooh, I miss the bright side. I miss the bright side. I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited, so gonna get to clapping. Go pop it for a player, pop it for me. Turn around and drop it for a player, drop it for me. I'll rent a beach house in Miami. Wake up with no jammies. Lobster tail for dinner. Julio served that scampi. You got it if you want it, got it if you want it. Said you got it if you want it. Take my wallet if you want it. Now jump in the Cadillac, girl, let's put some miles on it. Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby, you deserve it, oh. And I'm gonna give it to you. Gold jewelry shining so bright, strawberry champagne on this. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sex by the fire at night. Silk sheets and diamonds all Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Oh, I'm talking trips to Puerto Rico. Say the word and we go. You can be my flicker, girl, I'll be your flicker. I won't ever make a promise that I can't keep. I promise that your smile ain't ever gonna leave. Shopping sprees in Paris, everything 24 carats. Take a look in that mirror. Now tell me who's the fairest. Is it you? Is it me? Say it's us, and I'll agree, baby. Jump in the Cadillac, girl, let's put some miles on it. Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby, you deserve it, oh. And I'm gonna give it to you. Gold jewelry shining so bright. Strawberry champagne all nice. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sex like a fire at night. Silk sheets and diamonds, all white. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Said you want a good time. Well, here I am, baby. Here I am, baby. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Tell me what's on your mind. If you want it, girl, come and get it. All this is it for you. Tell me, baby, what you trying to do, yeah. Ooh, nah. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like.
There's a stranger in my bed. There's a pounding in my head. Glitter all over the room. Big flamingo in the pool. I smell like a mini bar. DJ passed out in the yard. Barbie on the barbecue. Is this a hickey or a bruise? Pictures of last night ended up online. I'm screwed. Oh well. It's a blacked out blur, but I'm pretty sure it rules. Damn. Last Friday night, yeah, we danced on tabletops. Yeah, we took too many shots. Think we kissed, but I forgot. Last Friday night, yeah, we marked our credit card. So we got kicked out of the bar and we hit the boulevard. Last Friday night, we went streaking in the park, skinny dipping in the dark, then had a menage a trois. Last Friday night, always say we're gonna stop, always say we're gonna stop. Oh, this Friday night, do it all again. This Friday night, do it all again. Trying to connect the dots, don't know what to tell my boss. Think the city told my gosh, chandeliers on the floor. Rip my favorite party dress, one right out for my arrest. Think I need a ginger ale, that was such an epic fail. Pictures of last night ended up online. I'm screwed. Oh well, it's a blacked out this Friday night, do it all Last Friday night, yeah, I think we broke the law. Yeah, we danced on tabletop. Think we kissed but I forgot. Last Friday night, yeah, we maxed our credit cards and got kicked out of the bar, so we hit the boulevard. Last Friday night, we went shrinking in the park, skinny dipping in the dark, then hot up and on the twine. Last Friday night, oh, I think we broke the law. Always say we're gonna stop. It's Friday night, do it all again. This Friday night, do it all again. This Friday night, do it all Who can it be knocking at my door? Go away, don't come round here no more. Can't you see that it's late at night? I'm very tired and I'm not feeling right. All I wish is to be alone. Stay away, don't you invade my home. Best off if you hang outside. Don't come in, I'll only run and hide. Who can it be?